are going to love the 2020
Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, convertible, fog lights, security system, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, heated steering wheel, brake assist. Come take a test drive today.